If you watch these videos and you've been watching them recently, the last year or so, you know we've been very bullish on energy stocks. And while we enter into 2022, we're in a very interesting environment. The Fed is raising rates, COVID is dissipating, the market's at incredibly rich valuations, except for energy. So what's going on? What are we feeling today? We're feeling good. We're seeing the price of oil down 2%, and it was down 2% this morning, came back a little bit, came back down. Many of our favorite energy stocks, Exxon, Schlumberger, finished the day in the green, but they did not necessarily start the day in the green, particularly Schlumberger. Started the day down, traded down about 1% to the 29.50 level. Looks like it made a pretty solid floor there. It's all about the floors right now. We're just trying to wash out the sellers, the short-term thinkers, because the long-term picture is quite good. Despite the price of oil returning to below or down 2%, we saw Schlumberger get above 30 from that 29.50 level. That's quite a strong intraday move with the price of oil coming down. I don't know, this is obviously focusing entirely on psychology, so I can't say with a high degree of certainty whether or not this is true. But we saw a similar phenomenon occur with the Delta wave around July. We saw energy stocks just sell off for about a month or two, for people to start seeing through COVID, and then for these stocks to turn around and rip. And it seemed like all the sellers at one point just got washed out, and then optimism came back, and there was just a whoop, quick move high. Now, hold on. Let's not talk about quick moves high. We don't want to get too ahead of ourselves. We don't play quick moves here, okay? I'm not looking for a swing trade. I'm not a swing trader, okay? I'm an investor. I find good stocks. I actually heard something incredible today that was quite insightful. And that's over the long run, value has actually outperformed growth. However, for the last 5, in energy we'll call it 10 years, value has not outperformed growth. Growth has outperformed value. Given that rates are going to start rising, and there's a whole lot of value that's got very strong fundamental cases that aren't just keeping them level or saying, oh, the valuation should go from 30 to 35, we should expect rallies. Not moves, not trades, not dividend collecting, but some level of rallies in stocks like energy companies, which are well priced, which are significantly low priced, actually, that, as OPEC says, will see increases in oil demand, however, are currently experiencing a supply deficit. And as we've addressed many times throughout this channel, the best of the bunch, in my opinion, I'm not saying the highest beta, I'm not saying the most volatile, I'm not saying the most upside potential, I'm saying the highest quality companies, in my opinion, of the bunch have been focusing on the long-term energy future. So therefore, the last decade of depressed multiple, given those fears, should not be in place. So we've got a very strong case, in my opinion, for some of these energy stocks. And I'm liking what I'm seeing today. Hopefully we just made a double bottom in Schlumberger and we start to curl up. Exxon just pre-released kind of earnings expectations and, or I guess earnings results, pre-released earnings results. They beat expectations. The stock's up slightly, but it's been down in the past month. So they beat earnings expectations, right? But it's down the past month. So we'll see what happens there. I like the stocks. Happy 2021. Happy 2022. And until next time, till next year, till Monday, peace out.